You already know this. Separating stems is absolutely essential for anyone making AI music. Being able to separate a song into individual parts gives you a huge amount of creative control. And now, Suno AI has just rolled out a major update to its stem separation tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step. Previously, stem splitting in Suno was pretty basic. Mostly, it looked at the frequencies of your song and tried to guess which ones belong to which instrument inside the mix. This is called frequency isolation. Yes, it did work, but the stems often sounded a bit muddy and had audio bleed, where you would hear parts of other instruments leaking into your individual stem track. For example, you might separate the drums, but at times you can still hear a little bit of the guitar, piano, vocals, or background textures in that drum stem. But the new advanced split mode is different. Instead of just filtering frequencies, Suno now uses a generative model to listen to your song and essentially regenerate that instrument stem from scratch. So instead of simply cutting pieces from the original mix, it tries to rebuild a cleaner version of the instrument you choose. As a result, you can get stems that sound cleaner, punchier, more precise, and much more usable for remixing, practicing, sampling, or even full music production. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's try it out. So I'm in Suno custom mode here. I'm going to let Suno write some simple lyrics about going somewhere, just so we have a fresh track to test with. I'll add a quick style prompt, then hit create.
Let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. Take me anywhere. I don't care where. Let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. If it's with you, babe, I'll meet you there.
Great, that sounds lovely. Now I'll click the three dots next to the track, go to download, and select Get Stems and MIDI. It takes us to the stem separation window, and here you'll see three main options. The first one is auto split. This is the classic method, the one you're already familiar with. It automatically splits your song into the standard 12 instrument categories. So if you want a quick full breakdown of the track, this is the easiest option to use. Then there's split from mix. This is perfect if you only need one specific part. For example, maybe you only want the drums. In that case, Suno will separate the drums into one track and keep the rest of the song together on a second track. This is really useful when you don't need every single instrument separated, but you do want one specific element pulled out clearly. And finally, we have the new advanced split tab, which is the star of today's show. And you'll see a search bar here, which lets you search through different instruments. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the traditional auto split, so we can compare later with advanced splitting. And here we are. We now have the individual stems of lead and backing vocals, drums, bass, guitar, keyboard, and so on. Let's check out this guitar stem here. It's pretty low-key right now, and you can definitely hear some bleed in it. Okay, now I'm gonna go to Advanced Split, select the acoustic guitar, and hit Extract. We need to compare the two, so I'm gonna solo the guitar stem from the auto split and play the advanced split stem with it. Yeah, that is definitely better. You can really hear how much cleaner and more precise that advanced stem is compared to the classic method. Next, let's try out this split from mix option in the middle as well. We know that the advanced split uses a different regenerating technique, but the interface procedure looks similar here. You select an instrument from the list, I'm gonna go with the drum kit, and hit Extract. Okay, unlike the advanced split, here we get two stems. The selected drum kit stem, and another one with everything else in the mix. Let's check it out.
Let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. Take me anywhere. I don't care where. Let's go.
That's quite nice. This is like a very convenient middle ground. Okay, I know I generated a fresh new song exclusively for this, but obviously you don't have to. You can just take something you already generated and apply advanced split to it. So I'm gonna grab one of my older songs here. It's cinematic rock. Same steps, 3 dots, download, get stems and MIDI. And let's do the exact same comparison we just did. I'll run the advanced split first, on the electric guitar and drum kit stems this time. But keep in mind that this uses 10 credits per stem, so unlike me, you should be intentional with your generations. Now let's do auto split and check on that same guitar instrument. Huh, interesting. I don't know if it's just me, but this time the advanced split felt a bit smeared, while the guitar stem from the auto split actually sounded cleaner to me. It might just be the artifacts, but honestly, I would suggest not to blindly trust advanced split. Yes, it can be amazing, but it's not always the automatic winner. The best workflow is to test both, compare, and choose the cleanest stem. One more thing I forgot to mention. Advanced split actually generates 2 versions here. So if a stem comes back with bleed or noise you're not happy with, check the alternative version. You also have the regenerate option for another pass. Sometimes a second attempt can clean up what the first one missed. And if you're looking to take these stems into a proper DAW, click on the Open in Studio button here. Now you can right-click on your track and hit Remove FX to get a clean, dry signal, which is exactly what you want before you start mixing. Okay, so that's the full breakdown of Suno's new advanced split. When it works, it gives you the cleanest, most usable stems Suno has ever produced. Great for remixing, sampling, or building a full track around. Just keep 2 things in mind. It costs 10 credits per stem, so be intentional, and it's not magic. Sometimes the classic auto split still wins, so always compare before you commit to this. And that's it for this one. If this helped you get more out of Suno, consider subscribing. I break down this kind of AI music stuff every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.